Jaja youth. It was wicked this morning. Cha people. What they all about? Tick like wow. No, sir.
My feet gonna be freezing. This
Need a different shoes. That's it. That's it, man.
snowing. Catch it on your tongue. Yeah.
Good job.
Catch the snow on your tongue.
What?
We'll go make our let's get a go fall.
I'm your huckleberry.
Whoa.
No tick, man.
No, I ain't gonna try.
That not work.
No, we need a snowboard. We should have bought one.
What were they expecting?
I thought we could do it. Ready?
I'm your huckleberry.
Hell no, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I can't make it.
So wicked, man. I think I snow this, you see. See.
Look, we want to come out here, but can't go.
Tick like. See. Deep is no tick. Thick as snow this, you see. Gotcha. See that? Tick like. Yeah, man. Man, I wicked snow this one. Vehicle up on it, I drive on the road. I go so. We just pass gone, so. Yeah.
Go walk down there, baby.
Oh,
You ain't gonna fall.
go that way, yeah. Gotcha. Wicked. People snow tick like.
Throw the snow at the butt.
See that? See that? Ooh, that bird, them a fly, man. See? You can't see them, you know, but it is what it is. Yes, my people, like real winter, you know. Buddy.
Yeah. You know when to put on my boots before I bust out laughing. You realize that's what my boots come like he got no house. Some brown. I ain't got to connect it to nothing because I ain't got. Oh shit. Oh, I said I tried to get some snow and look crazy.
See that, my people? Snow wicked this to them, man. Tick! It is it, you know. Still snowing, man. Yeah, the most snow I see since they are Kentucky. It's thick as hell.
Hey,
See,
Hey, call him.
snow run off the side of the house, so I check.
hey, call your Maya.
Yep, this is it.
What do? I see.
I say, I'm growing up. Low on ice.
step on floor. Only man we use the sweep up and shovel. It's not snow, you know. That is it, man. Oh, it's snow, people. See. More snow, me see from there. So go on now, my people. Rain start fall. First from the day and snow fall, then rain fall after. So you know what that means, okay? That's it. Yeah, popsicles are about. That's it. That's it. Cover this up. Yeah, popsicles. Popsicles for days. What people. Be safe out there, all of them, yeah. Frozen. Just put them out the door. Experiment, you know. All of them they're frozen. Wicked people. Sorry for all the people maybe out there now. I make no sense out there in them at time. Right now it plays cold. See, man. Eat popsicles. Yeah, ice. Why? Should not come out here and listen, but this looks so beautiful. I want to catch it on camera. Watch out, people. I see some take them in here. This looks so beautiful, man. What's it? I say, yo, I have to capture it before it get dark or it melt off. But this is an amazing look. See, all them are freeze up. So, be ice and hang off of them. You know. First time I see them, you know, people. Trust me. I love it. It look good. But being out here for long, not for me. Tell you one, cause after the snow, right now rain drizzle down. You know snow and rain, you know ice that. You just capture this before it get dark or it melt. It looks good, man. Love it. Love the look at it. Yeah, there. Woo! That is it. Right, people, look. I have here do you know, watch out. See that? Take off all of them. See how thick it is? We out here, you know? We out here. Go and clean up, we have to go up on the road. You know what I mean? So we're just showing how the aftermath, you know? That is it. Side ain't clear, but they're good at the way the road they're wide. Yeah, it's nice. Streets. highway. Only a vehicle are on a clear snow. Every little thing.
I can't see over the side of it like a wet one. I can't see.
Every little thing a clear snow.
Nice fun. I'm not finna get stuck here. And they ain't been. Maybe we might have to roll around, call, pass by, have Raquel call. Yeah, because this car ain't got no. Yeah, I ain't gonna get stuck in it. They ain't cleaned y'all thing at all.
May I say?
But somebody gotta go in there with some traction first before I get stuck. It's just snow, snow, snow.
Yeah, picture.
Take a picture with your phone so I can send it to you.
This one. What is it behind it?
That's coming. Man, say you can't drive in this shit. Stay the fuck on. Stay the fuck on. They be like, shit, we tired of trying to save people.
Yeah, see.
Shit, I can't get my phone.
Get your phone. Keep it going on. Richer than the pepper light there. And this crystal clear. Alright. Up on the sky lit. Oh, look there. It's now 9:30, you know. I look up in the sky. Bright like whoa. On that side. That side. There. Damn.